Hello friends, welcome to the video number 11 for Excel 2016. And well, this is going to be a pretty simple video, and it's about how to create our own templates. Basically what we need to do is just to go to a save as and select the Excel template. When would we want to do this? The templates can help us to try to prevent some unintentional override or modifications to the content of the workbook. Especially, for example, if we are creating some kind of forms and the user can leave there some information that can be sensitive or is private. So we don't want to leave the information right there and then somebody else comes to try to use the same form, and then it results that all the information is still there. So again, for generating reusable forms or forms that are used by several users, having a template or creating a template can be very useful. So I have created here a form. I spent several hours creating this very complicated form. No, I'm just kidding. Um, So just as an example, as you can see, I have already assigned a name. So this means that I have already saved this workbook as a regular workbook. So let's say that I'm going to put here my name, my last name, my employee number is number one, and I'm gonna have a weekly bonus of $1,000. Yeah, I wish. Um, and then I just go ahead and click on the save, and then close it. Then somebody else comes to use the same form, opens it, and it's gonna see my information right there. And maybe this is exclusive for me or exclusive for my boss or the human resources people, and no other people are supposed to see this information. So well, what we're gonna do here is I'm gonna erase this again. What we need to do to create a template, basically we just have to go to the save as. There are several ways to get there. You can see here I have a save as icon right there. You can just press the F12. If you don't have this icon right here, I'm going to show you how to add it. First, let's go to File, and here we have the Save As. So we can come just right here to do the Save As, or we can come to Options and then Quick Access Toolbar. Or another way, simplest way, is just clicking here. We have already seen this in a previous video tutorial, and just click on More Commands. It takes you right here immediately. So just scroll to the bottom and you are gonna see here Save As. Just click the Add and it's gonna add it in the bottom. So just select it here, and then with these arrows you can place it wherever you like. So I'm just gonna go ahead and click on the Save As. What we need to do is to come here to the Save As type, expand it, and look for the Excel template. When we select the Excel template, it automatically takes us to this address or this location in our hard drive. So just go ahead and select whatever you like. If you have already selected the location and then you make the change to an Excel template, it's gonna change you the location. So make sure that you, after you select the Excel template, you go ahead, you go back and reselect the correct location where you want to have this template saved. And we'll just go ahead and click on the save button. I'm gonna close this, and this is the icon for the template. As you can see, it's a little bit different from the regular workbook. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open it. So you can see now it says form 1. This is pretty similar to what happens when we open a new workbook that says book 1. Well, here we can see that says actually form 1, even that the template name is form. So if I just go ahead and type again my information, I click on the save or do a Control S, it's gonna automatically going to take me to a save as. So I gotta do assign allocation and then put a name. In this case is, I don't know, it's my bonus, my weekly bonus, and I have saved it as a regular workbook. I'm gonna close it. So again, this is the regular workbook. I can open it and see it again. But if I go back to the form, to the template and open it, I can see that the template is, it's empty, is the way it is supposed to be. So again, to try to preserve the integrity of the workbook, I don't want nobody to change the form, the name, the text, formulas that I have here, at least again on an unintentional way. By doing this, creating a template, if they go and click on the save or do a Control S to save the workbook, it's gonna automatically to make a save as, and most probable thing is that they are gonna just save as an Excel workbook. But again, they can go and select the template, assign the same name, and overwrite your template. That can obviously be done, but again, this is more to protect from changes or from unintentional changes to the workbook. So, well, that's again very, very simple how just to create your own templates. And well, I hope that you find this information very useful. If you like the video, please go ahead and give a like, share it with your friends. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, I want to invite you again to subscribe. And well, thanks for your time, and I'll see you on the next video.